They feel emotions of each other. They feel needs of each other. They care needs of each other. They care emotions. So I think distance is not compulsory. Also, so many examples from Islamic history we can see what's the law. Just the affection between opposite genders, that is not only law. This is my opinion. If you agree or disagree, you can write in comments. Affection between opposite gender is not the law. That is the need. That's need, not a law. I believe, and this is my opinion. But you can disagree with me. It is not a final conclusion. Attraction between opposite sexes need. That is the primary need. So after primary needs, we can proceed towards the secondary needs. And okay, the foundation of any family is based on man and woman. If we say just this is due to love, the people get married with each other. So what we think about the arranged marriages, and arranged marriages are more successful in the whole world compared to love marriages. One of my university professor was giving this example in our class that in somewhere in country, one boy married a girl because of her teeth. When she not give attention to her beauty, her teeth, cleanliness, then that boy divorced her. So I beauty and worldly attachments and these things for the real love, the real attachment. That is something important. And as human, we can expect that love, not the worldly attachments, not the material objects. Beauty of a woman or smartness of a man is not everlasting. What do you think? Are you agree with me on this topic or not? Okay, I will read some more comments. The next point is the distance between the people. The law or not. So both meeting in this world which we have technologies and so 5G, and now the China has launched a 6G satellite. Maybe in the next 6G, maybe people will go one place to another place. 5G, we are expecting that everything will be live and we will watch each other. Even you people now watching me, I am here in China and you people are in different parts of the world and watching me. So we can say that so many. Okay.